Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your AirDrop is not working in your iPhone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strong network connection and your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth and your AirDrop are enabled. So after enabling this, you have to simply go back from here and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Or you can also try to keep the both devices within 30 feet or 10 minutes or 10 meters. So it's a range of AirDrop. Or after that, you have to also make sure that the devices are not locked. So if you are using your AirDrop on lock screen, so sometimes it might have these errors. You just have to try to unlock both of your devices and stay awakened. Do not disable or turn off your screen, and you have to also disable your do not disturb mode or any of focus if enabled. After that, you have to also disable personal hotspot of both of your devices. And after doing that, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not, or you have to go to your settings app, go to settings, go to general, and here look for AirDrop, and you just have to select everyone for 10 minutes. So after selecting, you just have to go to screen time section, and here go to content privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling all the restrictions, you can go back, go to general section, go to software update, and try to update your software. After updating software, you have to simply go back and just scroll down your control center and try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. In order to do this, you have to quickly press and the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have a simple way. You have to go to your settings app, go to general here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. So it will reset your network settings. You just have to try to save your Wi-Fi network password if necessary. So after doing this, your all of your network setting will be resetted. So you can easily use your AirDrop without any issue after resetting your network settings. So your issue must have to be fixed, but in some cases, if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app, tap on your Apple ID, and here just try to sign out from the Apple ID. Just tap on the sign out option, then select sign out but don't erase. Then tap on continue. Then will continue again. Enter your Apple ID password, and after entering Apple ID password, your Apple ID will be signed out. After signing out your Apple ID, just re-sign in your Apple ID, and after re-sign in, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, there's a single way. Open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here. Select this More option. Select AirDrop. Select Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.